So this is the Dirma DX700 vertical handheld vacuum cleaner. I got this from Shopee and ilalagay ko na lang yung link nung shop in the description box. Merong tatlong brush heads na kasama dun sa box, and yung first one, ito yung usual na brush head na nakikita natin sa mga vacuum cleaners. Sa side na to, makikita yung maliliit na wheels. These will help you maneuver the vacuum cleaner habang naglilinis ka. The other two brush heads are smaller, so these are perfect for corners and pati na rin sa mga nooks and crannies na mahirap abutin. Ito naman yung power cord, and as you can see, pabilog yung saksakan niya, so definitely you will need an adapter para magamit mo siya. This one naman is the connecting tube. So, ito yung gagamitin mo if gusto mong mas mahaba yung vacuum cleaner habang naglilinis ka. With the connecting tube comes this adjustable power cord hook. So, dito mo ipupulupot yung cord para hindi siya maging sagabal habang naglilinis ka. Ito yung end ng connecting tube na kinakabit dun sa main body ng vacuum cleaner. And of course, this is the main body of our vacuum cleaner. It is very lightweight and it only weighs less than 3 kilograms. Nasa handle na rin yung switch ng vacuum cleaner, so madali na siyang i-on and i-off. From this view, makikita yung dust collection container and napakadali lang yung i-detach from the body. Inside the dust collection container are the HEPA filter and the foam filter. Kapag puno na ng dumi at alikabok yung container, madali lang siyang buksan. Now, this is how you reattach the dust collection container to the main body. Pwede mong diretsyong ikabit yung brush heads mo to the main body, and this way, maiksi lang yung vacuum cleaner mo. Kung yung kailangan mong linisin ay mataas or malayo, definitely you can use the connecting tube to make the vacuum cleaner longer. This is how you attach the connecting tube to the main body. So ngayon, alam na natin na nade-detach pala yung power cord hook. Ngayon naman, if gusto mong i-detach yung tube from the body, all you have to do is press this button, tapos medyo magsistruggle ka lang, pero maghihiwalay din yan. At this point, ready na ako i-testing yung vacuum cleaner natin, and let's see if sulit nga ba talaga siya. It took me less than 5 minutes para matapos linisin yung area dito sa living room namin, and after that, hindi naman sobrang uminit yung vacuum cleaner. So ganito kadami yung buhok at alikabok na nakolekta ng vacuum cleaner, and as you can see, meron na ring mga alikabok na dumikit dun sa filter. Bilang ito yung pinakaunang vacuum cleaner ko, I can say na okay naman siya and it serves its purpose. Sa halagang 1,700 pesos, you get a decent vacuum cleaner na may kasamang tatlong brush heads. It weighs less than 3 kilograms, so magaan lang siyang buhatin and madaling gamiting panglinis. Madali lang siyang i-assemble, and as a first-time user, hindi naman ako nahirapan. So there you go guys, sana nakatulong tong video na to if ever mang nag-iisip kayo kung bibili kayo ng Dirma DX700. If you think this video is helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!